Your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus can be charged in more ways than you think. From fast wired charging to sharing power with another device. This guide covers all the methods plus tips to keep your phone charged faster and smarter. First, the most common and reliable way, use the cable that came in the box and plug it into a wall adapter. This is the fastest way to charge your phone, so whenever possible, stick to a wall charger. The same cable gives you a lot of flexibility. You can plug it into your PC or laptop to charge while working. But just remember, this method is slower than using a wall outlet. You can also charge your phone in your car using a car charger or connect it to a power bank when you're out and about. Whenever you charge your phone, always try to use a high-quality cable and adapter. Cheap or low-quality ones can slow down charging and even harm your battery over time. You can also use a wireless power bank. Just place your phone on it and it will start charging. Here's a really cool trick. You can even charge your phone using another phone. First, go to Settings, then Battery, and from here you'll find the option Wireless Power Sharing. Turn on Fast Charging and Wireless Fast Charging. Enable it on the device, then place both devices back to back and you'll see it charging. While charging, make sure the battery limit is set properly. One thing to keep in mind, avoid using your phone heavily while charging. Running apps or games while charging slows it down and can heat up your device. This will speed up your charging time. And lastly, don't let your battery drop to 0% all the time. Keeping it between 20 and 80% helps maintain better battery health in the long run. So, whether you're using a wall charger, power bank, car charger, another phone, or wireless charging, your Galaxy S26 Ultra gives you plenty of ways to stay powered up. Just pick the method that works best for you and stay connected.